Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Patriot battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Safety is key, so always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any potential battery acid. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Now, let's disconnect the terminals. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Once that's done, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, which you'll find marked with a plus sign. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. First, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. Once it's loose, carefully lift the old battery straight out of its tray. These can be heavy, so lift with your legs. Take a moment to inspect the battery tray for any signs of corrosion and clean it thoroughly if necessary before installing a new battery. To install your new battery, carefully place it into the tray, making sure it sits firmly and securely. Reconnect the positive terminal first, tightening it with your wrench, then reconnect the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. And hey, while you're upgrading your ride, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.